we all know you as somebody who's very calculated in all your movements in the past decade or so. And you have decided to run for mayor of Caloocan. And so, pag may ganitong pronouncement ka na ikinagulat ng marami kasi we expected baka mag-party list si Senator because national scale. But you decided to run for mayor sa Caloocan. That means may nakita po siguro kayong dapat baguhin sa Caloocan. Ano po itong nakita nyo, Senator?
Ganito yan, ano? I agree. I was exposed to the national political scene. So doon ako nakatuon, yung mga national policies, dyan tayo nakatutok. Pero nung last year when I was invited to explore running for mayor, I went around Caloocan City and I consulted different people there. Nakita namin, grabe ang situation sa Caloocan. And even though I was born and raised in Caloocan, but after I graduated from PMA, hindi ko na nakikita yung mga ins and outs doon. So I saw for myself, ang grabe ang poverty dyan. I think the poorest people in the Philippines live in Caloocan. Yung facilities niya, yung infrastructure niya, very backward. Then, grabe ang corruption. And right now, number 1 na rin sa criminality ang Caloocan. So, sad to say, it's becoming the worst city in Metro Manila, at least.
Pero we all know, Senator, no, the Caloocan was governed by the Malapitan family for the longest time. So would you say napabayaan ito for the longest period?
Definitely, no. Wala talagang governance. Ang inaatupag lang ng mga nakaupo is kung saan kukuha ng pagkakakitaan, ano. Sad to say, kasi otherwise dapat nakikita mo yung tao eh. And you should feel for them. You should be able to address yung basic needs nila. Kaya talagang napabayaan ang